Hey guys, Sonance here, back with our video. In this video we will continue our how to feature style drop. In the first part we made the drums and arrangement, so now we're gonna make a bass. In the next part we'll be making the feature style top leads. So if you want more presets like this, in the style feature, selected and hexagon, make sure to check future selection. I'll link it down below. So the final result sounds like this.
Cause the vibe's so smooth when I break it down.
So now let's go on with the bass line. We're gonna use Serum for that. So open up a new Serum. First we're gonna make a melody. So just enable the filter and go to piano roll. So we're gonna use this rhythm. We're gonna do it in F minor. So just from there. Just like this. Make the notes a bit shorter, so there's no overlap between them. Like this. So a little variation to the second part. Just move it up an octave. And we're going to add some glide. So add this note here. It sounds a bit off, but we're going to fix it in Serum. So copy over the section once more and add some variations. Just like this. This will make it more interesting. Besides that, we're going to add some variation with the notes. So for this one, go down to C, and for this one, go down to D. Just like this. So that's the melody. Now let's dive into the sound design. So open up a new Serum. Just like this. We're going to use synth. So it's like an analog sine. Lower down one octave. Same for A B. But lower down 2 octaves. Go to the filter and select FM from B for oscillator A. This will make the bass a bit fuller. So then shape envelope 3. Just gonna make a short envelope. Decay around here, really speed up. Go to FM. Just make it a bit punchier. And put a drive and fatness for the filter. Besides that, we're gonna give the notes a bit sliced. So select the mono legato. And put up the portamento. Just make it slide a bit more. So that's it for oscillators. Let's dive to the effects section. So first hyperdimension. Put up the mixed dimension. Just like this. Then we're going to distort the sounds. We're going to use a soft clip. We wanted to have too many distortion. So just run here. Add some chorus. That's an OTT. Lower down the highs, because we don't want too many highs in the bass. Just like this. Then add some EQ. Lower down the highs as well. And give some boominess by the bell filter. Gonna route envelope 3 to that as well. Just like this. Around here. Lower on the Q. And that's it for the bass. So we're gonna just sidechain it. Like this. And then mix it in. It sounds like this in the track. So just mix it in. Just on here sounds fine. So that's it for bassline. In the next part we'll be covering the leads. So if you like the video, please leave a like. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next part.